Are you thinking about buying a home but don't know where to start? First, you need an agent who's there to protect you and who has your best interests at heart. We've worked with many buyers along the way, helping them secure their dream haven. There are so many pieces to purchasing a home, and if you're not careful, it can cost you thousands of dollars. Hi, my name's Kimberly Price with eXp Realty. Here's the best part. A typical employment contract for the sale of a home in North Carolina has the seller paying for most, if not all, of the buyer agent's fees. The seller has an agent who is representing them and their best interests, and you need one too. We're here to guide you through every phase of the transaction, from finding you that perfect home and making professional recommendations to what you should be looking out for or what services you may need to consider. We guide you through making an offer and on positioning yourself to have your offer accepted even when there are competing offers. We make suggestions on what you should and shouldn't be asking for, financing strategies, what inspections you should have, repairs, what costs are customary for the buyer to pay for, and what's customary for the seller to pay for. We go over contingencies and so much more. We're here to help guide you through the entire process and ensure you make the smart choices so you don't spend money unnecessarily. We're here to be your support system and lifelong friend, even after we give you the keys to your new home. Please reach out and let us help you on your way to a home ownership. We've got you covered. I'm Kimberly Price, shopping for your next life adventure.